And we're here. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and ladies. Most likely just gentlemen. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How do we feel? You feeling okay? Everybody doing good? Let me know in the chats. Can everybody hear me? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we feeling today? Money Glitch. Ye old faithful. What's up, man? Alright, we're on M&Q. Cool. 1 minute. Alright. Let's start marking some stuff out, shall we? I have no idea what this is. Is this all-time high? Can't be. We wasn't that close to all-time high, were we? Holy shit, we were. Wow. Wow. Look how close we were to all-time highs, guys. That's insane. All right, so our 15 minute is about to be established here. Here's our orb. And here's our orb. Only bull SBS. Indeed. I'm also looking for the longs. Also looking for the longs here. Need some type of proof here though. Account is unlocked. 15 minute established. Let me look at the 5. Oh, we have news at 10. Oh, wow. I didn't even peep game. Let me see. News might just drive us up there, probably. What news is it? We have some rare folder news. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, no issues. No issues, no problems. No issues, no problems. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. It's really no point, even though I could probably see a quick little pop back down to the downside, but I ain't got no proof of it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is really dangerous. Could see a quick little pop short back down, but nah. I don't see that. It's 30 seconds looking like. 1, 2, 3. It's possible, but not with the way that it's curving up like this. Cool. Kind of want to take this short here. This is a dummy trade, guys. Just want to see what volume is looking like. If 3 micros will do the job or not. It's looking like 3 micros is more than enough today. Yeah, look like 3 micros is good enough. Maybe I should have took that. Huh, that's funny. Okay, cool. 3 micros it is today, guys. 3 micros it is. Excuse me. Yeah, I kind of like that little quick little SBS short right there. Would have been pretty decent. Would have been decent, but it is what it is. Would have been the harder trade anyway. I'm mostly looking for longs here. No need to FOMO into nonsense. But I would like a quick pop in this direction though. And there's your quick pop. Wow, there's your quick pop to the downside. Very nice. Wow. Not surprised. Yeah, I should have taken a swing at it. It's okay. No need to get nervous now. And instantly goes back up. Wow. So now if we get like a little bullish engulfing right here, but that's in 5 minutes right after news. Ugh. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. All right, well, how much time we got? All right, 5 minutes to news. We'll wait until after that. Now, the thing is, kind of expecting news to just take us to all-time high. That's very possible. News can definitely just take us to all-time highs. Or we can all-time high it right now. Andre, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Wondering, we are sitting here and waiting. We are waiting. Waiting for the market to tip its hat and let us know what it wants to do. So nothing for me so far. I saw like a quick little short that I decided not to take because it's not in the correct direction. So, or at least what I think is the correct direction. 2 minutes. 2 minutes till red folder news. 2 minutes to that red folder. This can go in either direction, and it's a heavy one too. It's a heavy one. It's a heavy one. It's a heavy one. It's a real heavy one, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me. So if this engulfs, you could see. I don't know. I don't know how heavy that news is going to be. It could be worth trying to get into a little into a buy if this retraces, but I don't know how heavy news wants to retrace that. So risky, but not impossible. We got 45 seconds until big news. Big good news. Stay safe, guys. Stay safe. Don't FOMO. It's just another print. All right, here we go. Oof. See, look at that. Look at that. That's nuts. Instant rejection right there. Got bought up almost immediately. Alright guys, I like that bullish engulfing. I like how we closed above there. Kind of want to see this flip up now. So I'm going to place an order right there. Stops around this level. 80 bucks. Let's see if we want to push on higher. Let's make it 50 bucks. All right, let's see if NASDAQ makes it easy. I mean, I guess safer stop would be like right here, but I don't want to give it that much room. Well, 70 bucks, that's not bad. Looks like sellers are trying here. Yeah, it looks like sellers are giving it the old college try. I don't like what I'm seeing so far. Just need her to prove me right. Taking a lot of time here. Taking a lot of time here. And I don't, 74 cents, yeah, we should be good. We should be good, we should be good, we should be good. Yeah, sweeps to these levels. Just waiting for the 5 minute to push us up just a little bit more. Did you set your back order? I like doing that when I'm close to passing. You need 76 to pass. True. And I did not. I did not. Alright, looking for the pop here. There we go. Let's make it like 79 bucks. Looking for the pop. Come on, NASDAQ. Go ahead and pop on up there. Should have added one more. Should have added one more. Should at least did 3 here, right? Rejection here is kind of weird. Excuse me. Two micros, 30 bucks in a dream. In a dream of passing a combine. Kind of struggling right here though. Why do I got this feeling that she's going to just reject right here? Why do I feel that way? Yeah, why do I feel she's just going to reject? All right, so that 5 minute, I've been in this for 5 minutes and it still didn't push up. I kind of don't like that. I'll tell you what. I don't like how we didn't jet up there. Maybe I'm too small. Yes, man, my sizing is really small. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I may have went a little too punk lotty. May have punk lots. Punk lot's not going to get it done. Clearly, I mean, Jesus. All right, so I tightened up stops right there because I got a feeling she's probably just going to like, if she rejects right here, she's going to reject pretty hard. Not much of a pop for news. Exactly. Right when we need a pop, right? Right when we need a pop. It's really funny. Yeah, I don't like how she's rejecting it right there. So I'm gonna tighten up to like $15 or so. Now she could just pop up there. That'd be great. I mean, come on. Can she hit it? Can she hit it? There we go. Yeah. Yeah, now there's nothing in your way. Oh, I'm on the 30-second. Let me get off of that. Yep, there's nothing in your way, NASDAQ. Excuse me. Alright. I'm about to add 1, 2, oh no, 3. Maybe after this retracement. Once again, if I didn't have punk lots on, it would be done for today. Yeah, she's making me think that she has other plans. But, you know, $16, that's basically break even, so. That's what I get for not adding. That's what I get for not adding. Wow, I didn't think I would be asking a lot from the market right now. Can she do it? Almost there, like 20 more bucks, NASDAQ. Like just whoosh up there. Quick little pop. Quick little pop and we're good. We're done. Quick little pop and we're done. Oh, why am I so small in this position? Quick little pop and we're done. NASDAQ, come on. It's right there. It's right there, dog. Come on. Right there. Right. It was right. It's right there. It's right there for you. Dude. Nigger. All right, liking that. Come on, NASA, you gonna make this stressful for me? This is what I get for not putting some size into the trade, I guess. $4 away. Not over yet, but come on. Oh, Jesus. This looks like it needs to get swept. All right.
Order filled.
I had a couple more right there. Give me one more pop-up, NASDAQ. One more pop-up like that, and I'm out of your hair. Oh, come on.
Order filled.
Well, guys, that's fantastic. You know what I mean? That's just fantastic. You know what I mean? Just a couple points away, added in, couldn't get that pop back up. I was $4 away from getting it. It was about $4 away, guys, but no, NASDAQ had other plans. It's okay. It's okay. I was a little light in the position anyway. I should have did 3 micros like I planned to in the first place. Kind of wish I didn't take a loser there, though. I mean, Jesus. Yeah, I kind of don't want to just get in the, what's the word I'm looking for, in the front of this. Hey. All right, big bearish engulfing incoming. 1, 2, 3. This structure is weird. This structure is really weird. I don't think this move origin is going to do anything. It's already been tapped, so. Alright, I want to see a pop back up to the upside here. If we can get it. There we go, very nice. Keep going. I don't know how much we need, but I'm going to assume it's $100. Keep going, NASDAQ. That is a, remember, this is a bearish engulfing here, so being careful of that. Yeah. All right, no longer willing to take a loss right here, so going to break even because that bearish engulfing and instant rejection once again. I think this is going to whip me out. Am I there yet? All right, cool. Boom. All right, Jesus Christ. Number one passed. Ugh. Damn. 2 trades, 1 BE, 1 whatchamacallit. Just wanted to play this move origin here. 1, 2. It's not the best SBS though. It took a very sloppy SBS now that I'm looking at it. But we stayed patient. I really wish I would have won and done it, but I didn't, so. 1, 2. I'm gonna ask Stoic, what does he do with Newswicks? Does he still account this as the sequence or not? Yeah, I'm a little bit confused. I'm not too sure. Because, like, to my eye, 1, 2, right? But we didn't have a 3 that came all the way up, so 2 should technically be all the way down here. So I don't know what you would have done there, but did something like that. All right, W's in the chat. Not much for the members and looking at longs here for holds. I don't like the fair high top. W, good stuff, Dre. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. And boom. Very nice, everybody. Very nice. Show executions. 1 BE. Actually, one loss technically, but I'm gonna call that a BE. And we took 1 BE and 1 win there. All right, stay patient. Got what we wanted. Yeah. What else is there to say? 5-minute engulfing. 5-minute engulfing SBS model 2. SBS model 2. They're about to delete that account in a second, so I want to make sure I get my markups. That's crazy. I had a little bit too much patience with that first trade, didn't I? I had a little bit too much trading there. I mean, this is a little weird. Yes, bro, how you doing? Tenacious, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. We got another XFA underneath the belt here. So happy about that. Stay patient. We did it right. We only took the trades that we said we wanted to take. So for everybody who doesn't know, I technically have two entry models. I take 5-minute engulfings, and I'm SBS Model 1 or Model 2. Those are usually my bread and butters. I'm not looking for anything other than that. So yeah, let me take my screenshot to let people know that I actually trade, and we can call that a day. We can call that a day. My coffee's watery. My first time having coffee in 2 weeks, guys. I'm almost over the dizziness and the sickness. I'm about 90% back. So first coffee, feeling pretty good. That wick low is good zone on the 15 second. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Man, this could have been my SBS Model 2 to all-time highs. Ah, look at that. Look at that. That was the all-time and I did it on a combine. All-time high to combine. Didn't even need the whole move. I'm gonna take that one because that one looks better. Hold up. Where's the all? Oh yeah. Let me hurry up before they delete the account. W's in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Stayed patient. A little too patient. Good job, guys. Good job. Proud of you. Proud of everybody. Proud of everybody. Proud of everybody. Turn up the music just a little bit. Stay patient to the first trade for passing info. This is what patience looks like. I'm gonna take a little screenshot of that as well. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Good stuff. Good stuff, everybody. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. It could all be so simple. It could all be so simple. Are you stacking up funders? Honestly, I kind of want to. To be honest with you. I might. I'll probably go back to fundeds this next week. But I like how I'm trading in combines right now. So every week so far I've passed the combine without majorly blowing it up. Even I almost did on this one, but I've been pretty confident and waiting for my setups a little bit more in these combines, and it feels pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Look itself as a fractal area of supply and demand, aka you can say UMO. Gotcha. Stack 5. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Right now I have 2. So I'm like, do I just keep the gravy train growing and just like saddle up another 50K and try and just bang that one out real quick? And then honestly, I kind of want to go for one more. I think 3 is a good enough space to be trading in. Like if you wanted to copy trade, you don't have all your eggs in one basket. Like you can just copy trade 2 accounts and just leave one in the wings for an emergency in case you blow up. That's kind of what I want to do. I might even think about that tomorrow. So I may trade funded and copy trade that with a combine, because I do want to get on the fast track and start copy trading at least 2 of these. But I don't want to have that feeling of all my eggs in one basket. So we'll see. Or in fact, what do you guys think? Should I just go for another combine, or should I activate one of these XFAs and start working out of those? I kind of like how my nerves are when I know that I have backup accounts. You know what I mean? That's not the best thing to say, but if I'm being honest, it is what it is. It is what it is. I can't believe. Well, I could believe it. This little UMO, move origin, supply and demand, whatever you want to call it. In fact, let me make sure we lock this account. Yeah, lock me out. Lock me out. I find it ironic that I had some of my best trading after going through quite possibly one of the worst medical experiences of my life. So for everybody who doesn't know, I'm coming off of vertigo, and I'm one of those healthy types, so I don't really go through too much medically. So I got vertigo, and I literally thought I was having a stroke. Like, I can't. I'm not even joking. Didn't do it. I love the confidence. Didn't do it. Love it, man. I got mine payout eligible this morning, but kind of want to pay out for more combines. I feel you. Thirst, is this your first payout? If it's not your first payout, I mean, obviously you can do what you want, but if it's like your very first payout, I would highly recommend just, taking the payout no matter what it is. But if it's not your first one and you're not, scrambling for money, then obviously, yeah, the correct answer there is to, build the account. So, just wondering. Yesterday, ES strong today. Opposite. What is ES? Is ES being a pain? Let's see. ES looks kind of tradable, honestly. I kind of like how ES looks right here. Yeah, usually I'm not able to see the move on ES, but yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming to this little area right here. This was beautiful. Draw out your fib. Damn, ES. I like that. I like that, ES. I like that. Thirst when you making more videos. I longed on this one. Very nice. Very nice, Money Glitch. You're on that. You're on that ES. I might be coming over there with you because NQ has been giving me heart palpitations, man. It really has been. Anyway, I need some music with some energy in it now. Copyright be damned. It's weird. It's a little boring right now. Give me a little energy here, guys. Hopefully this isn't copyrighted. Oh, did it get rid of? Oh, yep. Look at that. It got rid of it. It got rid of my executions. I mean, my that account there. So that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That is really good. In fact, SBS Sniper gave me some copyright-free tunes. We're gonna put some of those on. I just need a little bit of energy right now. And let me see. Let me know if that's too loud, guys. Let me know if that's too loud. Not my first, but you're right. Building it more is a good idea. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Just build these accounts a little bit. You know, bigger payouts, more stable payouts, less stress. Cause let's be real here. Digging out of that max loss limit sucks on these XFAs. I'm not gonna lie. Really does suck. But yeah, good job, guys. Good job. ES looks really good. Liking how ES is forming up. Let's look at the gold. After loss, I sometimes gamble and I don't want to, but I still do it. It happens to everybody. Hell, you see me do it Wednesday. You see me gamble Wednesday. It's really hard to get rid of it. But when you do, I feel that, you know, you're there. You know what I mean? As long as you can like control it, I suppose. As long as you can control it. If I'm being very honest, I probably shouldn't be drinking coffee, but it's a celebration somewhat. Hey guys, good luck if you're still trading. Market looks pretty. Whoa, look at gold. Ew. Wave machine here on gold. Wave machine. Yeesh. I quit Forex shit. I feel you. CFDs is not where it's at, man. CFDs, Forex is not where it's at. I used to be a big GU person. Used to be a big GU and AU, and God forbid if you were waiting for a trade for AU. Oh my God. You're talking about sitting there for like 2 hours without it moving anywhere. Just for that shit to lose. That's like, oh yeah, I gotta get away from this. That's another thing. That's another thing. You could have one. I remember one time looking on CFDs, the charts would be different. So like how can on one broker it made a new high, but on another broker it didn't make a high? That's how I knew I had to get away from that shit. I'm like, yeah, man, no, I'm out. Forget that. Futures it is. Futures it is, man. Fuck that. I mean, forget that. Enjoyed the videos, added some unnecessary pressure while I was learning. Don't really use DTFX anymore too, besides structure. Hey, nothing wrong with that, man. Nothing wrong with that, Thirst. In this journey, I think I've went from like 6 different trading ideologies before I found Stoic. So I remember doing Wyckoff, moving on to supply and demand, finding ICT. Then finally finding Stoic. So it's definitely a journey, and I'm just finding that Stoic just has the best thing for my temperament. It may not work for everybody, but for me, it works really well. So for me, it works really well. Just having the confidence of these 2 little lines right here just changes the game. Just changes the game almost completely. All right, guys. Nothing's. They got rid of the account. I can't even look on. I can't even be on the winning screen. This is a dead account right here. So. Did I not put this in the right place? No, I did. You've been on a nice little winning streak now that I'm thinking about it. At least on as far as the days are concerned. Probably tighten up a little bit of probably tighten up on trades a little bit, but we're looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Ain't no way people are trying to short all-time highs. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way I see people trying to short all-time highs. Ain't no way. Did you get any payouts in the last 50 days you've been streaming? Unfortunately, I haven't flowed with Babish. I've been very stupid. I have been very not smart with my trading and my emotions. Then I got sick. And ironically enough, after getting sick, I'm coming off of a really good trading win streak here. So, nope, no payouts. I've been on a dry spell as far as payouts are concerned. So that's what these XFAs are for. I even blew XFAs that I said I wouldn't blow. And I did it in the most stupid way possible. But we're here again. We are here again. Do you know what is the link on Top Step X? Do you know what is this link on Top Step X? What do you mean, what is this link? Oh, absolutely, Babish. Absolutely. Do you know what this link is on Top Step X? I'm not too sure. Are you referring to like the URL? If so, I mean, I'd rather not show you that on stream. But it's real simple. If you want to get there, and if you're trading with Top Step, and you have a I guess like a Project X account. Well, they only offer Project X now, so I'm confused with what you mean. Link indicator. Oh, right. This is okay. So this right here has to do with your orders, right? So you see like this little this on the right hand side. If these two things don't match, it won't execute. So I'm gonna do it right now. So like this is a dead account, so I should be good. So let's say I wanted to enter 5 micros right here, right? It did that because the links are the same. Now watch this, right? I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna change the link color to red. As you can see, it even goes to another asset, right? But this is still blue. Watch this. See how it does? See how it didn't execute right here? See how on this link it didn't do anything? Because this is blue and this is red. Now, if I go back to the blue, see how it got me in right there on MNQ and not on NQ, even though we was looking at NQ. It took me a while to figure that out. So if you're ever seeing that you're executing and you don't know what's going on, it's most likely because you either close this out completely, or you've either set this to no color at all, or something like that. It's not the most intuitive thing in the world, and I had to do some research of why that was happening. But yeah, that's mostly the reason, right? So like even right now, if it's set to like this little red X, I don't think it'll do anything. Oh no, it does. Okay, never mind. So I guess a good rule of thumb is to just have this as whatever, you know, this is red, or the what symbol is this? The no go sign. Yeah, it's not all that intuitive. I can agree on that. It's not all that intuitive. But yeah. And I think it's almost like a Project X thing. I think it's solely because of that they're the only people that do that. Belong to all-time highs right here on my dead account. Come on, I want $200. Because ain't no way people are still trying to short this. Okay, maybe it does work. Anyway, I'm being an idiot. Let me just close that. Still building bad habits. But yeah, guys, I might call it early here. I don't see a reason. I've done everything I needed to this week. I can't even show you my how good of a week this was, because once again, Top Step deletes or gets rid of the past combine automatically. So I can't show you the whatchamacallit. And I'd rather not show you my Discord for obvious reasons. What's up? Let's meet them. Absolutely. My account auto remove from my TPX. YouTube Bavish, have a good one. Have a good one. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah, that's weird, Money Glitch, because it doesn't do that for me. I think I need to call them and figure out, like, hey, can y'all get rid of these? So I can stop looking at them? So I can stop looking at all my failures, please? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that little pop that we just got right there. Who knew? Who would have known that buying all-time highs would actually work out? Wow. But yeah, all-time highs, all-time highs, all-time highs. Good stuff, ladies and gents. That means ES should be doing the thing again, right? Ooh, ES is kind of staying still. That's unfortunate. If you were down here, you were probably good. This is one hell of a trade right here. I think one of y'all caught this. This is the stuff of legends right here. I love it when it's just nice and easy, man. 1, 2, 3. Taps into the move origin, and what do? We do nothing but just go up. I love it. NQ would have been a little bitch about it. I can almost guarantee you. Now, this is annoying. But if this was NQ, we would be doing this. We would come back into the move origin and come back up, and then probably punch down a little bit more. Give a little juice, then configure and kerfuffle, then punch down, and then go up if this was NQ. But no, ES, real gentlemanly, gets into the zone. Buyers are stacking up, and we go higher. Easy. Easy, beezy, breezy, beautiful cover girl. I need to go to the doctor and make sure there's nothing wrong with my brain. Man, ES really looks like it was the move today. Oh, sorry for the typing in your ear, guys. Yeah, I took this more than 2.5 hour. Very nice, Money Glitch. This was beautiful. It's stuff like it's price action like this that makes me want to just look at ES full time, honestly. Because if you just have enough patience and get into the zones where you want to be at, ES doesn't really give you too much trouble. Now look at the same trade on NQ. Look at this wick right here. Yeah, ES has really been the move. Boy, I tell you. Beautiful day in the neighborhood, man. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Well, rest in peace for everybody who think you can short this. I would doubt if anybody's trying to. Please, I don't want to look in these group chats and see people shorting though. I really don't want to. It's going to break my heart, but I kind of have to. I'm a student of the game. I need to know. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on, man. It's okay. Fuck. Fuck a duck. Fuck a duck. Once again, I'm not gonna rag too hard on ICT today, but a lot of these guys just don't realize that you're just pattern trading, and you're just simply not following the trend a lot of times. you're just not following the trend. I'm just at a loss of words of how you can even think about finding a short in this. I'm just really at a loss for words. Like, once again, the methodology is like, as soon as you see a displacement, you see a fair value gap, you should go short. So basically, this is the mindset that people have with trading ICT. So they see this, right? They see this after some excitement, and they try to go short. And once again, I think that ICT is a fine way to trade. I really do. I think it's a good, I think there's too many options available to a new trader, and they're just like cycling through things and they get analysis paralysis with ICT. But I'm just at a loss for words of why we keep ignoring. I know why, but we keep ignoring basic market structure on the ICT side. And this isn't to say, like, this isn't the rag on somebody like losing a trade, right? Because obviously you're going to lose trades. I'm going to lose trades. Hell, I've gone on tilt a lot of times on chat in front of you guys. But at least I'm not taking trades that don't make too much sense. This doesn't make any sense. There is nothing here from a market structure standpoint that says go short. Nothing. Nothing. Kudos for following your rules. But you're fighting the trend too much in your trading with ICT, and that's why I had to get away from it. Once again, the whole time and price thing I think is the dumbest shit ever, because I can almost guarantee you people took this trade because they were expecting something to happen in whatever the fuck a macro is, and expecting something dumb like this. And it's like I don't know. Once again, ICT, great way to trade. I think it's even good for newcomers. Well, I'm not gonna go that far. It's good for traders that know what they're doing, and they want to sprinkle some ICT in there. That's fine. But I feel that new traders that are just getting into the game is doing themselves a disservice by learning ICT first. Because look at this. Look at this. I can almost guarantee you that there are dozens of ICT traders that took this same trade. Anyway. We get so caught up into time and price, algorithm. And that's another big thing. This term algorithm, it gives the context that, hey, the market has to do this, when the market doesn't have to do a goddamn thing that you say. You think you're this master manipulator market person, and it's like, dude. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I really don't. I really don't. Price above 200 SMA, yes. Target above 200, yes. Took it. This took some SMA. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I see you, man. I see you. Very nice. Good trading. Good trading. Good trading. Good trading. Good trading. Ah, boy. Anywho, back to the winning trade, right? Back to the winning trade. Back to the winning trade. I just can't believe people went short. All right, they're gonna try it. I can almost guarantee you they're gonna try it again. They're gonna try this again. Let me do it on NQ. They'll probably try this again. And if I'm being honest, this one might actually work, but they might try this again. I like my account now. This is the best feature. I don't want to exactly. Exactly. Best feeling in the world when you lock out your account and you're in profit. Can't do any more damage to it. Good stuff. Good stuff for Rooney. All right, we're shorting all-time highs. That's what's going on. We're just going to short all-time highs. Yeah, so the slower this moves, the less likelihood that this goes down, honestly. You could see like a little pop down from here, but I would just expect this, to be honest. Do you go to the gym? Yes, actually, Money Glitch. Yes, I do gym it up. Unfortunately, once again, I had to take 2 weeks off. I went to the gym for the first time in 2 weeks last night, and I was dizzy as hell. But you know, that's a part of the healing process. My brain has to recalibrate to what I'm doing. So I can't wait to go back. I can't wait to go back and like really like start giving it all I got. But right now I have to like do like these little rehab workouts and whatnot. But yeah. All right, let's see. Is this your? I mean, this could be an expanded reversal. But why would you want to short all-time highs? This could be your expanded reversal on the 1 minute. All right, there's your tap of the 20. Let's see what happens. ES took a high as well. We may see some downside from right here. All right, so if I was trading this, honestly, I would get out at 740. I would get out at 74. There's your quick little pop. Yeah, like if it makes a new low right here, I would just get out of that. Sounds good. Sorry for typing in you guys' ear. Yeah, I forgot that that's a thing. So see how NQ didn't make a new low, but M and Q did. So if I was taking this on M and Q, this would be break even for sure. Hey, Cup Gut. What's up, man? Oh, yeah, sorry about that. You're probably wondering why I'm looking at this nonsense, right? I'm tape reading ICT to see it fail, basically. So I just saw it fail here, now I'm looking at it probably fail here again. Let me go back to the actual winning trade, the trades that we took today, following fucking market structure. And what the market is telling us, and not what some algorithm that doesn't exist is telling us. Haha, imagine that. Oh, whoops. They might get their pop here, guys. They might get their pop here. Let's see. Ah, man. I'm sorry. That's why I don't trade this, man. Like I don't trade this. That's why we don't trade this shit. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. All right, so this is actually working out now. Wanted to punch up into that a little bit higher, I guess. They caught him. All right, so they got that new low. I hope that whoever took that would break even, cause now it's about to start looking ugly. Da, 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 da. I'm gonna let this. I'm gonna let the stream rock a little bit longer. I ain't got nothing else to do, but I'm gonna stand up for a second. So I'll be right back, guys.
To become secure, I have to have value. I want to be worth something. I want to be worth enough to attract the attention of others.
That's not my business.
Hey guys, appreciate you for hanging out. I'm calling it a day right here though. If you can, like, comment, subscribe on your way out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your trading day. Don't be a degenerate. All that good